Contractors snubbed the Senate probe, drawing sharp rebuke from lawmakers. From ghost projects to substandard materials, senators warn they will not hesitate to cut billions from the 2026 budget if failures persist. Daniel Manalastas has the details.
The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee wants to subpoena the contractors who were absent during the investigation over the alleged anomalies in the flood control projects. Out of 15 invited, only 7 were represented during the hearing.
Marami yan sa kanila, Senator Jinggoy, nagkasakit lahat. Iba siguro ni nervyos.
They have to come up with a reasonable answer. Hindi ho yung may sakit, may nauna. Para hong itong committee, 544 billion na pinag-uusapan natin.
Some senators issued a warning in light of the deliberation also regarding the 2026 budget, as some flood control projects seem to have been failures. That's why Senator Sherwin Gatchalian warned.
Nakita ko this 2026 budget, meron na naman 274 billion pesos for flood control. Hindi ho kami magdadalawang isip, i-zero ho to at ilagay na lang ho sa mga eskwelahan kung ang itong flood control ay magiging ampaw lang na flood control.
Hindi ko alam, Mr. Chairman, kung paano natin kayang harapin yung taong bayan na gigising sa umaga, lulusong sa baha.
Panay, coco lumber. Diyos ko po. Tsaka bato. Tapos semento. Yung semento mas manipis pa sa platito yung semento.
Senators also brought up the alleged ghost projects.
Do you still believe that there are ghost projects there? Or there were ghost projects?
In all candidness, Your Honor, I think so.
There were ghost projects in the municipalities of Kalumpit, Malolos, and Hagonoy in the province of Bulacan. Can you confirm this?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the contractor, allegedly, Wawaw Builders, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Kadiri kayo.
In Bulacan alone, Wawaw Builders had 85 projects amounting to 5,971,811,000.
That contractor was invited but was no show, while some of those contractors who attended couldn't escape the grilling of some senators.
Yung data is mali eh. Kasi ang totoo, yung 414 projects na nakuha sa QM, totoo lang is only 86 projects. Mr. Chair.
Teka muna, sabi mo hindi ka pa nakapag-umpisa eh. Sabi mo, hindi ka pa nagkapag-umpisa ng flood control projects.
Gumawa na tayo ng flood control projects.
O ngayon gumawa ka na naman. Ano ba talaga yung totoo? Baka hindi ka makauwi sa araw na ito. Nagsisinungaling ka na naman eh. Meron akong hawak na martilyo rito, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Mr. Chair.
Huwag kang tatawa-tawa kasi hindi nakakatawa ito ha.
Senator Erwin Tulfo meanwhile questioned that some areas were part of the list of top provinces with flood control projects but were not among the top in the list of flood-prone areas.
Ano po sinunod ho natin dito? Yung hazard mapping po ba? O sinunod natin yung politiko?
As far as the National Expenditure Program that is submitted, these are equitably distributed amongst all the legislative and engineering districts.
Bakit tayo magpopondo rin sa lugar na ito kung hindi naman po binabaha? It's a waste of money. Kasi sir, sabi for now, kay kami nag-uusap-usap dito, sa DPWH mo makikita ang pinakamayaman na opisyal sa ating bayan.
It is expected that more hearings will be conducted. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for A New and Better Philippines.